Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing PMPS 006. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of solutions of any type of subject, type of uh, any type of related to your homework. So if you need answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number without any thinking. So this is the number which is showing on our screen, which is 9009368238. If you need answers, please contact and we will provide all the answers in a PDF form. Now, this is the question number A, which is to obtain the Lagrangian, the Hamiltonian, and the equations of motion for a principal projectile near the surface of the Earth. Take the mass of the projectile to be m and the z-axis as the upward vertical axis. So this is the question. If you need answer of this question, so contact us. We will meet you soon in the next video with new question. Thank you so much for watching.